Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Mom! Dad! Please come quickly! His little leg is hurt. Do not move his leg. We have to help him. His leg needs an X-ray. Will he be okay? The doctor will help him. I hope so. Dad, I am ready.
You are always ready first.
Where are we going?
To the big park.
Last one there is a sleepy turtle.
Hey! Wait for your dad! Come on, Dad.
I am saving my energy.
You always say that.
Because it always works.
It is beautiful today.
Perfect for a family ride.
Hello, little duck.
Good stop, Alex.
We always give animals space.
Even slow ducks. Wait. What is it? I heard something crying. I heard it too. It came from over there. Stay together. I cannot see anything. Listen again. There, behind that tree. Oh, it is a puppy. Hey, little guy. It is okay. We will not hurt you. Alex, look at his paw. He cannot stand on it. Mom! Dad! Come here!
His front leg may be injured.
Can we help him?
We can keep him warm.
Good idea. First, we stay calm. He looks scared. Good boy. You are safe. He trusts you, Mom. Easy.
Easy.
He is so small. Do you want some water? He was very thirsty. He may have been here all night. He has a collar.
Then someone may be looking for him.
There is no name tag. Who does he belong to?
First, we help his leg.
Then we find his family.
We are taking you to a doctor.
You will feel better soon.
I am right here. You are very brave. I think he likes you. He needs a little name for now. How about Buddy? Buddy? Look! He likes it. Please help our puppy. Our temporary puppy.
Temporary?
We still have to find his family. Hello, little one.
His left leg hurts. You are doing very well. Yep.
He does not like that. That area is sore. I need to see the bone. With an x-ray?
Exactly.
Does it hurt? No, we will be very gentle. Be brave, buddy.
Why is waiting so slow?
Because you are worried. Are you worried?
A little. A little. There is a small crack in the bone. Oh no.
It is small, and it can heal.
That is good news. He has a tiny boot.
A medical boot.
No running for a while. Did you hear that, buddy?
I think he said no.
Let me check for a microchip.
That can find his owner, right? I cannot find one.
Then how do we find his family?
We ask around and report him missing. We will find them. We will find them. Can Buddy stay with us tonight? What do you think, Mom? Until we find his family. Yes!
Give this exactly as I showed you. We will. We will. Food, water, medicine, and lots of rest.
I can help. Come on, Buddy. Your new bed is waiting. How about here? Perfect.
Isn't that your blanket?
Buddy needs it more.
Here is your dinner.
It smells good. Hey, for dog food. He is not eating. Maybe he is still scared.
Give him a little space. Okay? Yep.
I can wait with you. Mom, he ate. Good. Stay calm. Now he is hungry.
Very hungry.
He knows.
Puppies are smart.
Try this.
He did not even see it.
That was the plan.
Good night, buddy. Sleep well. Buddy? You do not like being alone? What is happening?
Buddy is scared. You can stay here for a little while.
You are safe here.
My two sleepy boys.
Look at him today. Much better. Stop, buddy.
No running yet.
Do not look at me like that. He knows it works. Choose one.
Hey! That is mine! Buddy likes it better.
We found a little thief.
A very cute thief.
Look, he is walking better.
Slowly, buddy.
We are back.
Hello again, buddy. This feels much stronger.
Really?
The bone is healing very well. Great. Short walks are okay now. Did you hear that?
We can walk together.
Walk, not race.
I also have some news. About Buddy.
Someone reported a missing puppy. A puppy like Buddy?
Same size, same colors, same blue collar.
It might be him. Then Buddy already has a family. Maybe. I want him to find them. But you will miss him. I will miss him a lot.
You can be happy and sad together. They will be here soon. Okay.
Where is he?
Buddy is here.
Benny? Woof! Woof!
Benny?
Woo! That is his name. Benny! I missed you so much.
He remembers you. How did he get lost? He ran away during a thunderstorm.
We looked everywhere for 3 days. He was far from home. Was he hurt? His leg had a small crack. You took care of Benny? My whole family helped.
Thank you for saving him.
He was very brave. Ready to go home? Woof! Woof! Goodbye, buddy. I mean, Benny. Would you like to visit him? Really? Hey! That means thank you. Benny needs good friends. Then he already has 4. The car feels very quiet.
Too quiet.
I miss him already. I know.
Helping him did not mean keeping him.
It meant getting him home.
Sometimes love means helping someone return home. Yeah, even when goodbye is hard.
Benny! Someone wanted to visit. You can run again! And he remembered you. Have you ever helped an animal?
Tell us in the comments.
Be kind to animals. See you next time!
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.